Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to activate the how to activate the Dolby Atmos on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra for better sound. All right, so to activate Dolby Atmos, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna go to settings. So you're gonna go ahead and go to your settings. All right, once you're in your settings as seen here, you're gonna go to sounds and vibrations. Once you're in sounds and vibrations as here, you're gonna go into sound quality and effects. It's gonna ask you about allow sound quality and effects to find, connect to, or determine the position of nearby devices. You can hit allow. As for me, I'll just simply close it out. And of course, if you look here, guys, you'll see Dolby Atmos, and it says experience breakthrough audio for media playback that flows above and around you. So to activate the Dolby Atmos, you're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and there you go. So Dolby Atmos is now activated. And of course, it's set to auto. It's fine. You can set it to movie, music, or voice based on what you want, or keep it on auto. It will automatically optimize. You can go back. And of course, as you can see here, you have now activated the Dolby Atmos feature. You can also exit. So we're going to go ahead and exit, and that's it. So it's now on and it's now complete. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.